This is Ashley.
And Alexis.
We're going to make a video that tries to make you smile.
Yeah.
Okay, what should we do? Oh. Ring ring. Hello? Oh, wait, this is not. Don't make me laugh, I'm going to spit. What does that sound like? It sounds like a turkey.
It sounds like where, little baby?
Oh, you want to see what I can do?
How does that make it?
Just blow on it.
Open. Yo,
Hey, it's being weird.
let's do it. Come on.
Let's do two chains at the same time. Ooh.
Okay. Well, we're just trying to be funny to make you smile. And then we have to
Is
share.
it working yet? Because we're bored.
It's always fun, but Ashley wants to say it because we're making a video.
That's not what we're doing. Gosh.
Go, go on.
I don't know what to say. God, I make me so embarrassed.
You make. Then get out the video, little baby.
Fine. Goodbye.
Hey, give it to me.
Let's keep it there. 'Cause I
Give it
can't.
to me. Okay, so we're trying to make a video that makes you really smile. And your turn.
You're abusive all day today. First, you almost drowned me in the pool.
Yeah,
This child is abusive. She's like 5 years old.
Hey, come on.
Come on.
Come on.
I'm summer. See? It's all red.
Okay.
Ow! Okay, we're going. We're making another one.